Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kajing penkalah haka bapanyat kali. Haka nung ba Shillong khamtam ha Police Bazar. Kalawan rapat ya kajing knyum na ki babon ki ba ki bayat bayeng. Haka benta bahapdang jong ka Police Bazar kata nadu khandai lat shadu lat sosun. Ki kali ki bayat cikithan sosun wa eng do riat samthia bat jayaw. Namar ba kani ke benta jong ka than Police Bazar kadai ru ka bakhap nya ba. Haka yat kayeng jong ki ba. Kajing penya nanti na kani benta kalawan ru ya kajing sitom ya kinong nya kali na kajing bon ki bayat bayang bat khamtam badan ru ki breu ki bade jingde harut lenti halor kani benta ka Batesi TV kalayo banyakran bat way ni kinoelam joka seng nyau trap National Awakening Movement Youth Wing uba Thomas Pasa ubalakran kum kasor jong upat ba jong ubabon balang bat kumjo na way ni kinong snong jong ka snong jaya.
Lakatu kat depor lak parat kalak kambun senihi kani ka new traffic system lah penyat ka traffic department ban penyat gi clean up pedeng ka kandailat baik ban mi sya te sekolah sosun ba sekolah sadar police station kani ka improvisation kani kumpa gila penmi traffic ba kani ka trial henreng ita hani por trial ru kumangi gi basa sikithai kemudian kibapun ba kino section juga jaya mokhar teng gila ikendo ba kajing denggali pada ka bapun Islam trai pensam kam pada ka babon pai ba kalancur ba hanu report pindalet nadu mentah nadu nang tena po ki utu op mokhar keleng sya bangin rung sini sport samtia ka don ka traffic jam dong kani le se kam kata ka trial juga traffic department kala feel le se ban na trai ka hai ba perkhan adu kamoi ba kanum thut paran ki pai ba pi mentah kan sawan ki port school ki port college hatu ka por ki ka jingyai kali kan khambun ti hatu ka por ngatrai kan khata bai ye kini khana school ki jongi la ki pai ba ki blek trei ki ba wan ki blek kali ki jongki ne wa kali kamai ru ngatrai ka yang mo mentahi na kali nga jongi kum bagi pai kum ki pai ba nim tip da kono ka angle ka traffic department ka pai ye bagi pai mangi kalong ba lese kani ka trial ka feel ye ban penyai itu kali nang tu na po na pleng yo khandai lat bai iba ipoi ba arbong pi kani kan long ka ngantip ka kendon an juga road safety ka sya ne emi ki kali banya ajong tiles bar ngitip ka friction ha tiles ka dunawa ti lada ubre ukali bat dukan hako ju surok ya dan ya poisino kan sadon be ka jing mensra we ka sini bat ngathrai bang ingin ngat ki casualty ba kumni gomtai ha bai bagi kyar ngi la ya adin bagi yo ka jing o jing nam ni pai ba ngi persang hi banya da kali kadon ka bagi bre ya ilang buat beri buat kali ro habis ski ban de hanu no kapong i babon ki teman ki kro ki klung ki khna yo hanu no por kum ngada ka jing system ka jing mensau te kan long ka bersusi but fi ka state government juga kala polut fulak ang te po fi ki siang ta ki ta baro menta ka tu di pisa pa ba menta lada pai ki tiles nomor ba ya kali kam de ka wis jong ka pisa pa ba ada kan nak kalian ka jongi kumbangi kumbangi snow ya kini pai ka snow jong kita than ste pa de ka traffic department la kalong ban perkhat de kumbai bangin wara no report ni kalong success ne kalong ka failure mo nak kalian ka juki marki gidon la ka jong ka angle bakin page pada ni ka jisat ka jongki ni nak kalian ka jongi tai wei kani ka jik punya traffic menta kala long ka wanra ji ka ba khrau pai no snow jong ka jiau ini ki mokhar berkeling kisang ke margin marpa thakalik kawan ka jongki na marka jing theng palat kali bi kani kambi ka por kasin ke benungkong ban kalian traffic department kila improvise kila pursang ban lek trail nang ning tai hari ka jing sem ka jonga hi ong ne ka trail pihak sarwi ba shwa ya ka jilong jungman jung borok ki lat klenti ke jing hang nu kali ki bon hang nu pen pe yo inuk sai burit ba hang chi ha po don ki stan ma num jet ka teng mar ba mo yo don bersusi don ki stan ki don ha po junction ke bolong ki ba connect ya ka we ke surok ba ka we ke surok ka bolong haka jing ya lenti ka jonga ka tang ala don haki state ki babon ngam julam ba ka stan bus dan ka stan taxi lai baka cakap kali kan dai hai tu junction baik kaban joins don ya ka we ke surok bawan ka diang ba ka we ke surok kawan raman maka tu kan warak baik ka jing teng kali tengah ka jing ong ki jonga kalong ba ka bai banton ki expert team kaban service wa sibna armla lai bna ka mulai kenapa kan nu jing penderikam pada kan long ka kanum thut dan pai ba kai ba prinsip baik lan ni prinsip penderikam ki trial kan ba survey kan bakrai nomor ki babun kini ki tan menta ni kan soft long yo bro kala block pala ka jing teng kali kam dai su bakai te kan ni kan warak jinge ka ba sibon ban to si we awareness pai ba don kame bang nia kali ha perkhat sibon ndai tang ba la yo ka license la nang khro steering la nia ba ini hab long ki ba kum ka juk menta mah borok ilong ki ba la start ala school borok ki hab ban ha perkhat ba ka bah kamit kam dai tang yanga bang nia kali jonga di kiweiru dia kan ni ka benta juga awareness nadu mun suang ini suggestion ngaju ai ka sarkar ka barim jang Dr. Mukul Sangma ha ka barim traffic i jing ai jumut hadin bangila survey ka tuan ne amdai ya selong barang di area khatam di bedai po yaudu ke pi kani ka yaudu kala along ka jaka ba kali du hajo udah dudukan do sorong boyai do sorong along ba hajo ki jing mensag bon ka sulti so magilong unreported umdan bawan pentim dia ka sule bikum tu dia ki mensau ngitip kila bon ba ki bri ki ba mensau dia nak kalian ka jongi ngi warra wi ka pulso plan ang ba kami ka finalize isu ajimut e war mentok por ba kalong kemne ba naka nadu nang tina po standpoint kan dia ka last jaka banyak kali nanin Anjali nang tanah po tu ka stan jayau ngakwa ba ini full area jong ka mar prabo kan dai no vehicle zone kadau kalong kemni ba ni jeng teng ila ewat rasuk ba hadu dukan dai ra kali mi rai te ladang ile kom ta kan ni kamat front area bar ko no vehicle zone in bu specific stand pada ba kibri kin le yang tu nang tu yo kali pada te ngathare kan warai ka we ba pai bar un hab banyak kejat kendian te kan wadu ka jingkhut di subaya ka ya ka yo kan kham he kendian te ki habbu no ki proper planning ri bandon ya ki hawker zone kini kita borok ba laj itu mlong syu bu dukan sistai bu thuru pada te itai jumun ga ju aiteng atare hadu mentang nak berkat kam dia ga jumut ka ba ngimla ban berkat lalu ipe ya survey ba lalu ngile mental ST kan man jerap oi ga traffic bar pada ya ka khia ju pai ba pi bar pada ka jikhu ju subah kaman cubun rap sa khandet ibentang kam kerpang tapi kempengi keren juga benjing penyak kali nepok kendai nepok perang yo kendai lah tu ka kanunu ka surok swa bengi design ka banyak kali la engineer deka kata lenti bukan long fit for vehicular movement bakin kali kinyai na jurang jong tu naduk jing kun ni tai ka jing he la don lut ka jing thau jing bo ya kan ni ka surok penyak kali mentang nang di nepok na pedang yo kendai lah claim engineer deka man ya kali la engineer deka banyak breu dia penyai daga kali haka jaka ba klem bu kerpang banyak kali ka lawan ra pa ka jiba kala ka bucur
ngade tang kumuru pajba ngasong saang ti jerong sning di haka jingpet jungahi ngam iha ban penyai kali yang teh po lomba jaka pres bejar na pedang pres bejar nemar bros katu bagi suya tang ki pajba ro gele jawan kebun sin tang para beri nya blok te khamtam man hakini gisni ngayo sngo yo ki kubor batikna ba dangdon armut tiba sa aksiden haki kali da ka ba penyat kali nang tu wonya aji ya teng nang tu ban kami hab hiru kalong ka bakhap ya sebe pelat banyak kali nang tu war lagi tu kinong di madan nang tu kila aran makna sa kila kanran makna sa kendong ru hendrai ha ka jingbun ju pajba kuma pi ki pajba hi borok kila ji ihi ya ka jingbun pajba hang tu nim i ha ban penyat kali nang tu dia lada kalong ka bala na kaliang jong ka traffic department kan subha banweng no ya katu na katu hi kalan bahkan ai bahkan ya no nakibipat ki lenti.
Sa kawai pat kabenta, kalong bakar komsna higini kalenti ha pulis bazar. Ha kabenta jong kamadan, lasyang de kimau, kibale se kibabon, kiperkhan, baka day bet tang kalenti banya de kibreu. Handai ke balapan sngos ier kibabon pat kinunya kali, kadai ru halor ka jingting, yo anda lapoi ke polior balahap slap, kani kalenti lese kala ban beton yaki kali, bat bo pat ha kajingma yaki bayat bayang.
This idea of opening this PB road, it was in our mind long time back, but we could not do it since we could not come to the conclusion. Okay, because it's the road is just lying like that, and you know the increased number of vehicles in Shillong is, I think, crossing 180,000 vehicles only with the ML05. So now it's high time. The roads which are just left abandoned long time back because of various reasons has to be open. Okay, has to be open. So with that opinion in our minds, I think the Police Bazaar road, which was abandoned for so long like that, where no vehicle can go inside except for some emergency purposes which we allow. So after conducting studies and all, we find that it is feasible for the light motor vehicles. That's how we come up with the idea, allowing only the light motor vehicles to enter from this Kandala Junction, and you can come out in Soson Junction, making it a circular form. Okay, basically you will find, if you go through the entire Shillong traffic now, you will find many of the roads we are trying to convert into circular form, which is very easier to man the traffic. Of course, there are lots of traffic is there, but the movement should be there. There should not be any constant staggering, so that movement should be there. With this basic idea, we had opened, and within a week's time, we get lots of feedback from the public that it makes them easier to go to the Police Bazaar. Now, I will talk on the perspective of people who are deprived of going to Police Bazaar because the vehicle cannot move inside. Say like old age people, sick people who need medical attention, take care. Some of our old grandpas would like to visit PB, but they could not walk anymore at that point of time. But now they can be dropped to a certain part of the shop. They get down, they go for shopping. While they want to come back, they just call back the vehicle, and that is what we got feedback from all the senior citizens also. So that is one important thing which I would like to highlight. And still, it's in the trial mode because we are still doing the fine tuning. There are reports that there is lots of vehicles staggering in Jayo area, Waindo area. Yes, it is there for the few days. I think from the last Saturday or Sunday, you will not find any more staggering in that road because we have already fine-tuned that traffic regulation in Motrang. Basically, it's the vehicle which goes from Waindo and comes up from this Himamilim and then joins that Mokhar road. So it was there which was causing. So we had already fine-tuned, and so far there is no complaints from the public. And the other thing is that so far in this road during the daytime, in this PB Umsosondro during the daytime and during the night time also, no accident has been reported so far. That also we are taking into account. And opening up this PB road, it create one more passage to go out to Sadar Thana road also. Initially, all the vehicle has to take only that Quinton road, where sometimes it chokes because of the presence of Muda parking lot in and around Kandalat area. But now, to go to Sadar Thana also, you already have an alternative road. And to go to Umsoson also, you have an alternative road. So this is the kind of arrangement which we are making to ease the traffic congestion in the Shillong city in view of the increased traffic.
Till now, this is just a trial basis, on a trial basis.
Yes, it's just a trial basis because a concrete notification has not been issued, and we are still analyzing and fine-tuning how to go about. No any such complaint so far. The road, the length the width of the road is absolutely sufficient for the light motor vehicle. That is why we are not allow any heavy motor vehicle to go inside. That means we allow only the, initially we thought of allowing only the private light motor vehicle. Then we thought if the private vehicle, light motor vehicle can go, why can't the commercial light vehicles cannot go? So that is how we allow this small commercial vehicle also to go through, to pass through, so that the people who wanted to get up in the middle of the PB also, they get a taxi or they get that maxi cab in between that PB Umsosun road. So, and that road, it's, I would say, from the traffic point, it fits for the light motor vehicle. From the feedback which we are getting from different sections of people, either the shoppers, either the tourists, either the normal people who go up and down, and lastly even the business community, and last but not the least, residential areas. So far there has been no complaint. There has been no complaint regarding the difficulty faced by them while commuting that area. We have inspected the area, and we have written a letter to the PWD also prior to opening this road. We have informed the PWD. That's why I'm telling, the tiles are fit for the light motor vehicle to move in. It's not that only for the public to walk in that tiles, but it's fit for the light motor vehicles.